OBS, and there we go. Boring day, boring day. But the best thing is that we were aware of this one. Do you remember? Last stream, what I said? Important level down here, possible bounce, boom. Perfect. First, I told you, Malik. Let me see here. First resistance at 7.421. Look at this, boom. This was the resistance I was talking about. Little one here, then gain it back, became support, and now pumping back. So now this is the zone we are looking for. Like this or this. The thing is that we have obviously this trend line from previous high, and if it breaks to the upside, it's definitely gonna be a bleed for crypto space. The thing is that Bitcoin at that point would lose this important level, heading at least down here somewhere. Because if we wanna take this Fibo from down here to here, this is the zone we can look for, 65k. We had this position last night, told you to bring stop loss break even because I didn't like the reaction, and as you can see, perfectly worked as protection of the position. Well played, even if it's a stop loss break even. I don't care. Break even is a win for me. What do you think? So, now, crucial point for Bitcoin. The level he must hold is this area here, of course. If he start to lose it, as I told you, we can head down here somewhere. At the same time, this is old. At the same time, the thing is that I never liked Ethereum with something like this. I told you many times, I don't like Ethereum. I don't like how it's behaving at this resistance that must be red. Then we have support here, my bad, resistance black here, and this is the last support before a possible breakdown here, like this. As you can see, it's acting pretty well as a support. Okay, so now let me check. We have, then we losing this trend line, retesting it. Let's see if we can have something maybe like we had here with this spike, but it's not looking good. It's not looking good, fam, honestly. What do you think? 7 people. Oof. We're coming back with some people on stream. I like it. If any of you wanna jump on stage, I'm here, fam. I'm here for you all. Would be a gold level up here too short, obviously. Did we have the FSF? Damn, look at this, similar to ARC as we played. Last Monday, yeah, last week. Damn, it was perfect. We would have had something like this maybe. this it's like 10R. Damn, this was good. This was good as fuck. Then what else we have here? Again, coming back here, if you go on the chart, you can clearly see the range all over the chart. Look, this range here, then worry, this range here, this range here, more or less this range here, this range here. It's all like this. At the end, it's something like dump, consolidation, dump, consolidation, dump, consolidation. Consolidation, dump. Look at the geometric of the chart. It's pretty clear. Let me see if we have something in live. Wow, what's this? What's this? What's this? Okay. This might be good. Let me see the 30. Still not ready. Let me see on another time frame if we have something. Oh, yeah, honestly, it could be good, maybe. Trying a short here. We are rejecting at this POC here from Bitfinex that works pretty well, and Binance here. From here. Whoop, my bad. Oh. The thing is that we can have a sweep at least of this here maybe, even if it's playing out with the div. We can maybe try this one here. Let me set an alert here. Then we see the absorption at that level here. Boom, like this. It's a 7R trade. And this is one. Okay. We have some alerts ready. Good. Dying bad. Or what? What we are looking for here. Interesting zone here. Boom. Boom. Bomb here. We would not play this with the POC strategy. Boom, boom. Okay. The levels here are pretty good, as you can see, the 0.5, the 0.75, alert here. So if you play with the FIBO, you can clearly see how well are respected the level of the range between 0.25, 0.5 and 0.75 all over different charts. Let me set another alert here. Good, QNT. Let me set them back. Let me see here if you have any question. Yeah, CHZ is popular with. Yeah, Biba, if you want, you can jump on stage. Just ask to jump on stage, I can let you. We did a couple of stream with people talking, and it's pretty interesting. What else we have here? Floki. This is the thing we played. Stop at break even on Floki. No, what did we have? I think we cut it for 1 hour. then pump it, and then look at the rejection it had. Pretty massive. Pretty massive. XMR XRP. XMR. Okay, let's start from nothing. Of course, important level. 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 Magic. Here. Something like this. Down here. Now it's on this little support here, as you can see from this price action, but if it loses it, it can head down here for sure. It also has this dynamic support of the trend line, but I don't know. But mostly this is it. Let's see also with the expansion we had. Okay, would be a sweep of the value area low. The POC is clearly here where we had the most volume traded. But yeah, this is XRM, in my opinion. XMR, sorry. Then we have XRP. As I told you, this is still the main zone I like. We can start from blank, but the range is clear. It's losing its. It has already lost the POC here, so we are adding at least to the value area low. We can have this expansion from here to here, that it's in line with the level here. We can also see, okay, even of this expansion, but yeah, definitely. Let's see also here. My gosh, my bad. Here. Yeah. Range high, range medium, range low here. Well respected. As you can see, deviation above, deviation down, retest above, deviation down. Now we're heading here. So definitely we can wait for something at around 1.34 on XRP. What else you wanna see, fam? Let me send a message very quickly. Oh, what else do we have here? SPX literally dying. It's all low, it's all bleeding, fam. I told you, don't be overexcited for the expansion we had, because I expected that bounce on the USDT. That's why I stopped to go long. Definitely, if it breaks out here, it's gonna be a very bad one. It's pumping since we started the stream. What is Bitcoin doing? Going down. Retest this little resistance on lower time frame. Support, up, big deviation, down. tested the resistance, and now it's gonna be hard to say where you want to go. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, maybe on lower time frame. But yeah, definitely still need time to decide what he wants to do. If this is a big deviation, it's gonna be a bad one, very bad one. Doge, okay. Oh, here. Doge has been pretty strong. I don't know why we didn't play this one here. We had this setup from like Wix. And let me see here, maybe. Look at my level here. Levels are so important. So important. You can clearly see in my last streaming we had already this level here printed and perfectly reacted at it. Perfect. Obviously these positions, it's not valid anymore. Fam, just at the moment the market is working with SFP, very quick position, SFP overall on short side, as we had on ARCM. They are working very well, and you just have to check for highs that need to be swept and then short it. Maybe here struggling. Obviously we are on the daily. I like to play it with like 15, like here. You can set it the high, you have the sweep, and then down. The thing is that at the moment there could be a market that won't ever have a bottom, in my opinion. Sui. Then we wanted to long it from down here. Sui again here. Gain it back. Lost, my bad. Lost again the range. Range high, range low, mid range. You can also consider the range down here, of course, it's better. Rise, up, support, resistance, deviation above, resistance, support, up, big deviation above the level, but losing again here. Oh my gosh, fuck off. You got it. No, not clear direction, bro. How can I tell you? Take in mind that I won't tell you never the direction. Obviously, always do your own research. I just give you my opinion about what I see. I'm not a financial advisor. But the thing is that I'm not liking the structure of the market. I'm not liking it at all. It's poor of things and poor of real injections that can keep the price hikes. I don't see that participation from big institutions that can like lower down the circulation of token and coins, pushing the price to the upside, where the real demand, how can I say, overtake the supply. We didn't play it, but would have been. Look at this again. If you don't have the golden pocket strategy, you have fuck off. Okay, you have the SFP. then we go here. I wanna see, this is not the best tool to see candles volume profile, but look at these big buys here. 300 BNB plus 170, 170. Locked up here. Weren't able to push the price to the upside. Absorption down. Absorption down. Can you see it? Oh, you're gonna celebrate Eid. Happy Eid, everyone. Eid Mubarak, right? Until 27, so in 9 days, perfect. Okay, what else do we have here? Let me take a look at Tau. It's been a while I'm not looking at Tau. What is it? Wow. Oh my gosh. Blank. Let me see if this works. I hate trading view. Okay. Let's bring them down here so we don't have any noise on the chart. Fuck me on all these alerts. Okay. This is bugged, I don't know why. Okay, never mind. Let's go on 3-day. Main levels, one here. One here, obviously. Pretty strange. Chart down, pretty difficult to chart. The daily, of course, we have this support here, more or less, but I don't like it so much. Like from here, it's well respected. Yeah, the first support, I would say it's down here, maybe $205. Also in line almost. Yeah, $200 here. Well respected. Well respected. And then here we have of the expansion. Let's see where is it, the POC of this expansion. It's down here. Difficult Tau for the moment. Oh, it's going down again, again, and again, and again. Mamma mia. Anything you wanna also take a look at the moment? Otherwise, my advice for now is like sit on your hands and wait a bit before you take any direction. I don't like how it's behaving at the moment. My biggest fear, as I told you at the beginning of the stream, is this bad boy here. With this bad boy here, if it breaks out, it's gonna kick a dick in our ass. And that's it. But this is a perfect read, fam. We perfectly read the market like a couple of weeks ago. we were already aware of the situation we were at. Perfect, yeah, perfect. Habiba, let me see your question. Yeah, it's a fucking bad boy. Oh my gosh. The most hated coin for me. Oh my gosh. Ha! Ha ha ha. This is a big retest of the level. We had this level here. Let me see where it bounced perfectly at 0.75. This was good up here. This was damn good. You see, you have this deviation, retest, down, deviation, retest. So now, let me see here where it can go. Honestly. Damn! The 15-minute dip would have worked. The first position I highlighted here. The 15-minute dip here. This one here. So yeah, this is the situation, fam. Let me know if you have any question. Otherwise, gonna eat something for dinner and then watch maybe a movie. I'm waiting for update from the chart. Let me see here if you have any question. Still working on the bot meanwhile. Found some bug about like the Z-score or something like that after testing for 4 or 5 days, and now fixed them like a couple of hours ago, and check most stated coins going straight to zero. What are you talking about? Huh. Shit. My gosh. I was saying, and so now let's take a look at the bot, how it will work in the next days, and we will see if we have something great with the bot. Blacklisted for you. I don't know, maybe any news I missed from. Let me quickly check. X. Did any news came out? Let me see what report here. Kuset coin. On floor vote on the Clarity Act within next 30 days. Official denied US agreed to waive oil sanctions. Elon Musk. OpenAI, and then nothing special for crypto. No, I don't see anything bad. It's just a structure of the market, I would say, at the moment. No, I don't see anything. No, anything. this one here. Honestly, people blaming on Trump for sure for crypto, but look at the ramp it had during Trump, fam. Honestly, it's great. In like a year, 56%. 56% in a year. Unbelievable. Right, fam. Gonna eat something, otherwise I'm gonna eat this table. I'm also Italian, so you know how much I like food. So gonna eat something maybe healthier than this table here. Thank you so much again. Let me stop the stream here.